Don't ask your family, your friends, your neighbors, or the guy down the street for information on Medicare Part B because I have clients all the time telling me the wrong information. Medicare Part B, you have to sign up for and you have to pay for it. So, Medicare Part B is everything that happens outside of the hospital, like your doctor visits, unless you're a very low income, and in which case you're getting a subsidy from your state. And they might be paying for all of your Part B or parts of it. Or if you're very high income, in which case you're paying a lot more than the average person. And the average American will be paying about $175 a month for Medicare Part B. Now, if you're already on Social Security, they will take that out automatically out of your Social Security payments. And then every January, like clockwork, that Medicare premium that they're taking out will go up in price. Never goes down. So Medicare Part B is automatic. So if you're already signed up for Medicare, signed up for Social Security early, a lot of people take Social Security the earliest date they can, which is age 62. If you take Social Security early, then when you turn 65, they already have you in their system. So they will mail you your card that says, hey, welcome to Medicare. You now have Medicare Part A and Part B. And here's your Medicare card. It's the red, white, and blue card. Take it out and put it in your wallet. What you don't realize is if you flip that letter over, it'll say, if you don't want Medicare Part B right now, just return this card to us and we won't charge you for it. And there's many circumstances that you don't want to take your Medicare Part B when you're first eligible. So that's why we're here at Senior Solutions Group to help guide you. So that you can make the right decision about when to sign up for Medicare Part B. Call us today or on the link below. You can schedule an appointment for us and we can customize and go over all of your options for you between your age 62 up to age 65.